Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy protective style in under 5 minutes using a drawstring ponytail. Stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Stephanie. If you enjoy this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content from me. And go ahead and give this video a like if you plan on trying this hairstyle. So just to start, I'm going to moisturize my hair because she is dry, honey. She's getting thick. She getting thick out here. So you need to make sure you are wetting your hair and using some type of moisturizing conditioner to detangle. I've been using the Pink Oil Moisturizer hair lotion. This is an OG product that I have been using since I was a kid, so I decided to go back to this product since I've been using a lot of new natural hair products, and I feel like Pink's it's never done me wrong. So I'm going to try it out again and see how my hair likes it. So far, so good. And then I'm also going to be using the Eco Styler gel to add some shine and to slick down my hair as much as I can. It's not going to be a super slick gelled down style because this Eco Styler gel doesn't have a very strong hold on my hair texture, but it is going to keep the hair strands in place. So you don't have to do this, but I prefer to do 2-strand twists on my hair when I'm doing a ponytail style, just to add a little extra volume to the hairstyle so that it's just not a flat slick back ponytail. As you can see, I did not detangle my hair very well. Once again, she is thick, okay? So you definitely want to try to do a better job of detangling or do smaller sections if your hair is thick like mine. But again, I was rushing. I had to go out the door, honey, and this was the go-to hairstyle for me because it's so quick and easy to do. So I'm going to do two strand twists, one on this side and one on the other side as well. You can also do cornrows if you like. The choice is up to you depending on how much time you have or what type of look you want to go for. You can either just slick all your hair back, that'll be a lot faster to do. You can do the 2-strand twist, which doesn't take too much time, or you can do a cornrow, which may take just a little bit more time. But either way, this hairstyle is super easy. So the ponytail that I'm going to be using is PHP Deja from FS Wigs. So she is a drawstring curly cute ponytail, y'all. We going back to the drawstrings, okay? Now you can see how easy this is to put on. I literally put this on in like, I don't know how many seconds this is, 10 seconds maybe. You just attach the comb at the top and you attach the comb at the bottom and pull the string and you are good to go. I love the texture of this ponytail because it matches my hair texture really well. It doesn't look fake. It actually looks like a natural puff that grew out of my scalp. So I really do like wearing this style of ponytail so that I don't have to do too much work to my natural hair. I don't have to straighten it. I don't have to use any heat or anything on it. And you guys saw how quick and easy that was. Let me know if you guys plan on trying this hairstyle. Leave a comment down below if you're still into wearing drawstring ponytails. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.